the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Moto G6 Play for AT&T Prepaid. So AT&T Prepaid recently got the Moto G6 Play, so that is really cool, guys. So if you guys are interested in the Moto G6 Play, it is now available at AT&T Prepaid for your pleasure. Okay, so the Moto G6 Play is $152.99. So to me, that's a bit overpriced for the phone, in my opinion. But you know, it's AT&T, so they overprice every fucking time. So yeah, it's a budget phone, guys, so do keep that in mind. It looks very nice and stuff like that. Specs on here are not too bad. It's a budget phone, like I said, so it is what it is. So it says here, the Moto G Play 6th generation has the features and energy you need to keep going. With the long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery, turbo power charging, and the 5.7-inch HD Plus Max Vision display, you'll enjoy edge-to-edge entertainment. So there's the phone right there, guys. It's like stock Android on there, but it has Motorola stuff on it as well. And I see the clock right there. I'm a big fan of the clock there. You guys have an 18:9 screen there. On the top, you guys have a front-facing camera, AirPods in the front-facing camera, flash switch is very nice. On the bottom of the phone, you have a Motorola logo. On the right side of the phone, you have the power and volume button there. So that's what the phone looks like there. So yeah, there's the side of the phone right there, power and volume on the right side. There they are. It has like a textured power button, so that is nice. On the back of the Moto G6 Play, you guys have a camera flash fingerprint sensor and the AT&T branding on the back. So that's nice, and it has a glossy finish to it. So yeah, it's like a plasticky, hard plastic finish to it. So it's not glass or nothing like that. So you keep it in mind, but it still looks very nice. There's back over it again. Left side, you have your SIM and SD tray on the left. Battery is not removable. There's front of it again. Top of the Moto G6 Play, you guys have a microphone and your noise cancellation microphone. Then you have a headphone jack and a noise cancellation microphone on top. I think I said microphone twice, but yeah, yeah. It has micro USB charging. So this is a certified pre-owned phone. This one that AT&T is offering is certified pre-owned. So be cautious of that. It says AT&T certified restored devices undergo a series of rigorous tests and inspections and are refaced and updated with the latest software. Enjoy a 90-day warranty and a 14-day return policy. Okay, so this is not brand new. For $152, I was expecting it to be a little bit less since it's certified pre-owned. You get this bad enough as getting it unlike Moto G6 and using it on AT&T Prepaid anyway. But if you guys want to get a carrier branded Moto G6 Play, here you go. It's certified pre-owned and certified pre-owned, so you keep that in mind. Right? It says it has all-day battery plus rapid charging. Go more than a full day on a single charge and get hours of power within minutes of charging. It has a 5.7-inch HD Max Vision display. It's HD Plus. Watch entertainment come alive on the edge-to-edge screen. 13 megapixel rapid focus camera. Never miss a great shot with a camera that focuses as fast as you do. Alright. Power your passions. So that's turbo power on that side. So do what you love, do it fast, and do it all on a 4,000 mAh battery that lasts all day on a single charge. And when needed, you can extend your battery on the go with turbo power technology that charges in just minutes. Alright? Do more. Seamlessly refile, send documents, and search the web. and enjoy your favorite shows with the DirecTV app on the immersive 5.7 HD plus Max Vision Edge screen. Express yourself. The 13 megapixel rapid focus rear camera automatically captures multiple images, recognizes blurred images, closes eyes, then recommends the best photo to keep. Alright. Security with the touch. The need for difficult to remember or potentially unsecure passwords with the Moto G6. With the Moto G PlayStation integration, unlock your phone with just your touch, and with the Moto Key app, your fingerprint can instantly log you into your favorite websites and apps. So that is a one there. FirstNet ready. I don't know what this is, but something to do with first responders, so it's probably a good thing. Okay. Since FirstNet is public safety's dedicated communications ecosystem, contact a FirstNet specialist. You guys want to check it out, go right ahead. It's a good thing. Your phone deserves a better unlimited. Stream your favorite shows on DirecTV. Share unlimited photos and video chat on the nation's largest and most reliable data network. Specs on the Moto G6 Play, like I said, this is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. The dimensions of the phone are 6.12 inches height, 2.84 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. The Moto G6 Play weighs 6.31 ounces. The display, like I mentioned before, is 5.7 inches HD plus Max Vision display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It's 720p. That's 720 by 1440 pixels. 13 megapixel camera with 8x visual zoom, 4K video. 5 megapixel front-facing camera with 8x visual zoom, f2.8 aperture lens. You guys got quick capture, best shot, manual mode, beautification mode, other shooting options, slow motion, and panorama. Your battery is 4,000 milliamps, 29 hours of talk time. Standby time is 12 days. Audio playback 85 hours. Fast charging capable, 15 watt turbo power charging. Snapdragon 425, I think, or 435. I think it's Snapdragon 425 in this one. I think it says Snapdragon X9. I don't know what the fuck X9 is, so I don't even ask. 1.4 GHz quad core though. It's a Snapdragon. It has 16 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigabytes of micro SD card, 2 gigabytes of RAM though, so budget phone. So yeah, it's better than nothing. It has Android Oreo 8.0, I think, 8.0, yeah, 8.0. I'm sure it will get Pi eventually. It has 4G, LTE, 4G, 3G, it has GSM to Wi-Fi. I just have FirstNet ready, like I showed you guys earlier in the video. FirstNet is a public safety dedicated communications ecosystem. So that's very nice to have. It also has HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8211 APG-M. It has dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, noise compression, then a SIM card. It has a lot of apps for install from AT&T. You guys know that it has AT&T App Select, AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Message, AT&T Messages Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Set and Transfer, AT&T Smart Limits, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Visual Voicemail, and IQ. I'm not sure what the fuck that is. So you guys get a lot of apps from AT&T in this phone, and then y'all the Google apps and stuff like that. You guys get more apps for installing. You guys get Amazon Shopping, Dolby Audio, Facebook App Manager, FM Radio, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Photos, Google Play Movies and TV, Google Play Music, Google Play Store, YouTube of course. You guys have access to my AT&T, which provides you fast, easy to account access virtually anytime, anywhere. It has games. Google Chrome is your default browser. You have sensors, you have a accelerometer, ambient light, digital compass, fingerprint, and gyroscope. Text messages, Google Play Music is your default music player. Has all that stuff down there. There's no reviews on this phone. This show when you guys get in the box is the quick charging prop, micro USB cable, and quick start guide in the phone. Y'all really don't get much with this phone in terms of what you guys get in the box, so don't expect headphones, nothing like that. But this is a budget phone. So there you guys have it. The Moto G6 Play is now available at AT&T Prepaid for $152.99. This is a certified pre-owned version of the phone, so do keep that in mind. So if you guys are looking to get a Moto G6 Play on AT&T Prepaid, there you guys have it. But keep in mind this is a certified pre-owned, so do keep that in mind. Alright. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.